How many times have you used those hashtags and captions on your social media saying love yourself, be yourself, accept yourself? We've used all these things so many times that we don't even remember. Today, I'm not going to talk about this usual repetitive, those ghissy pitty things. Today is going to be a little different. Today, I'm making this video because in our daily lives हम इन कुछ शब्दों को इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन we actually forget कि इनका actual मतलब क्या होता है. Hey guys, I'm Ananta and you're watching Study and Praxis. Let's go on to the video without any delay. So yesterday I googled the definition of self-love, what it means. So I found that it says self-love means having high regard for your own well-being, your own happiness. It means keep taking care of your needs and not sacrificing your happiness for others. So we always say love yourself, be yourself, accept yourself. But you know what? Always in our mind, we are afraid of making a critical mistake. And why does this happen? Because back in the mind, we don't trust our ability to perform that task. And as a result of this, what happens is we turn to others for the solution to our problems, to questions that only we can answer. We seek others' help. Also, when you are in a group, sitting in a group, when you are into a discussion, you feel that others know much more than you. And so what happens? You want to be as low sounded as possible and you become so agreeable as possible that you are not handed over any task, or if you speak out something, you will be given the responsibility to handle that thing. What happens? What happens because of this is you shrink. You don't want to speak out. You don't want that any task is given to you. I agree, there can be some weaknesses, some things that we're scared of. But every time sacrificing something that we need to tell. See, back in the mind, you might have a thought coming that's much more stronger than what others are speaking in a group. But what happens is we limit ourselves that others might know more than me. And this is something that happened to me a lot of times. So I can speak out today. Everything that I'm speaking applies to me and you as well. We all are same. We all know that everybody has some strengths, everybody has some weaknesses in some areas that we're afraid of. But then why do we make fun of others? With this I come to the next point, making fun of others. Like people make fun of you. What does that mean? Is that the meaning that you need to change yourself? Does it affect in you? So, okay, for me, it's like when I talk to people, when I have a normal conversation, I make a lot of expressions. I give a lot of expressions. So, there are people who tell, my God, कितने expression देती है तू, इतने expression दे के बात मत किया कर मेरे से. अभी पहले I used to think that, there's some problem with me because I overreact. I do a lot of overacting. I know it very well. My parents know it, my friends know it. So I'm kind of a person who overreacts to things. But before, when I was like in 9th standard, people used to say you overreact a lot. I used to think that there's some problem with me that people don't like me. मतलब अनंता अच्छी है यार, but she does a lot of overacting. I don't like that. So I used to think there's some problem with me. I need to change. I need not overreact at situations. Like बहुत overacting करके बात करती हूँ मैं. It was that. So I used to think that I need to change myself. But now when somebody says to me, यार इतने expression दे के बात क्यों कर रहा है? तेरे को इतने expression दे के बात मत किया कर मेरे से. And this is something people tell me, okay? So I'm very straightforward to them now. कि bro, this is the way I talk. And if you want to talk to me, I'm this way only. I'm not going to change for others. Be very clear. If you know you are not doing something that's wrong, you are as you are. You have to accept yourself. Stop doubting yourself at first. You need not doubt yourself कि ये प्रॉब्लम है क्या मुझ में, वो प्रॉब्लम है क्या मुझ में, मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए कि नहीं, मुझे लगता है मेरे को चेंज करना चाहिए अपने आप को. नहीं भाई, everybody is different in their personality. Like obviously I said before, everybody is same when we come to weaknesses and strengths. Like everybody has weakness, everybody has strength, nobody is perfect. We're same like that nobody is perfect, but everybody is different in terms of personalities. A person will have some other personality. Maybe that person likes to talk a lot, be very social with people, and there's another person B, maybe who is an introverted kind of a person who doesn't like to mingle a lot with a lot of people and would like to stay alone. So there are a lot of people, a lot of personalities, so everybody is different. You need to find people who love you as you are, without changing your personality traits. Come on. And being very honest, for people who make fun of you, who want to change you, they are not required in your life. Who make fun of you, you should not even think about them, because they may not be the people who are thinking good about you. Your parents are always thinking for good of you. Your close friends, your good friends will always think good for you. But there are people who do not think, who don't care about you. You need to be very, very, very thoughtful before just changing yourself or thinking to change yourself. So accept yourself as you are. Accept everything in yourself. This is me. And that's the beauty of every person, right? Being yourself is going to make you different. Maybe some group of people will not like you for who you are, but there are people who will love you for who you are. You just need to find those people. Another aspect to accepting yourself is, see, when you start loving yourself, कि हाँ भाई मैं ऐसे ही बात करती हूँ, मैं बहुत acting करती हूँ, I am very outspoken, or when you know that this is me, and when you love yourself for who you are, for being who you are, you will eventually realize things that you need to improve upon. Like I talked about bad habits, you must know that these are my bad habits, but then working on them is another thing. So accepting yourself doesn't mean that you will accept or ignore your bad habits, but when you start accepting yourself and loving yourself, you will eventually realize that there's a need of improvement. Okay, so this is something that I say in my most of the videos, that you need to love yourself to improve yourself. So that's so true, because until and unless you don't accept yourself for who you are, you don't love yourself, you will not make an effort to improve yourself. And as soon as you get into love with yourself, at every stage, at every point, you will realize what are the things you need to improve upon, and you will work on them. Now that you've come till the end of this video, I want you all that you take a call for action now. Every day, do one kind thing for yourself. Any one kind thing in a day will be a good step. So kind things could be like introspecting yourself, giving time to yourself. Go for a stroll alone. Give some time to yourself in a day. Introspect yourself, how you are. I love to do this. Like, it's sometimes so beautiful to sit alone and just hear how that wind sounds. Like, yeah, I've experienced that. Okay. So give time to yourself. Explore yourself. Or one of the most important things that I think is to shaking a bit with your routine. Even little changes here and there can help you a lot refresh yourself. So also with this, I remember that the next video that I'm going to bring to you is going to be a student edition on how to plan a day, student special. So make sure you don't miss that video, and so that you don't miss that video, you need to subscribe to my channel and also press that bell button. Make sure you like this video if you found some help out of this. Thanks for watching, and this is me, Ananta, signing off. Namaste.